The brand new JBL PRX ONE all-in-one column PA system offers everything you need to get great sound fast. This all-in-one powered system offers a 12-speaker array, 12-inch woofer, 7-channel digital mixer, Lexicon and DBX DSP, as well as Bluetooth 5.0 audio, remote app control, and all the inputs and outputs you'll need to get set up fast. Like all JBL products, the PRX ONE's design philosophy started with superior acoustic performance. Inside of the column, 12 2.5-inch transducers leverage JBL's AIM technology, or Array Inumbration Mechanics. This geometrically optimized array shading technology gives very consistent frequency response from front to back. AIM technology allows us to get the most out of our high-frequency transducers without the need for added DSP. This gives PRX ONE a much more consistent frequency response and reverberation time, as well as less power compression, which means you're going to get the same level of quality sound at low volumes as you will when the system's cranked. These custom-engineered high-frequency transducers feature copper cap pull pieces, which reduce inductance of the transducer. What this means is that you're going to get the consistent frequency response that you'd expect from a high-quality studio monitor. We've also maximized the height of the array to take better advantage of frequency directivity so you get consistent frequency response from front to back. The high frequency response is optimized down to 500 Hz, which really allows the woofer to perform where it does best, at low frequencies. That's going to give you big, natural sounding bass without the telltale huffiness of a speaker that's working too hard or has over-added DSP. The woofer enclosure leverages a quad port design, which gives you natural, even sounding bass response down to 35 Hz. What all of this means is you'll deliver big, front row sound to every seat in the house without having to be heavy-handed on your DSP section. The PRX ONE features a high-efficiency 2000-watt Class D power amp, which means you'll be heard loud and clear at any volume with no distortion or clipping. In addition to that, it features a power factor correction power supply, which means you can use it in various voltages and it'll save your components. And lastly, it has a fully bridged power amp, which means you can take full advantage of that 2000 watts, giving you headroom for any scenario. High quality, high linearity inductors means PRX ONE's power amp exhibits low total harmonic distortion and high power efficiency. What this means is you're going to sound great no matter what volume you turn up to, and at 130 dB SPL, that's pretty loud. PRX ONE's built-in 7-channel digital mixer features a dual operating mode for ease of navigation. Channel strip mode can be enabled by pressing any of the channel rotaries to access the gain, bass, mid, treble, and effect sends of that specific channel. Mix mode can be enabled by pressing the mode select button, and that gives you full fader control of all 7 channels on the mixer. 4 mixing desk quality microphone preamps maintain constant frequency bandwidth even at maximum gain. Simple Success LED metering gives you a quick and easy way to verify channel functions like signal detection, mute, and clipping. You can easily mute any individual channel by holding down its respective rotary at any time. The LEDs will blink red when muted, giving you a very quick mixer status indicator. The PRX ONE features DBX drive rack technology inside. Get access to automatic feedback suppression, an 8-band main EQ, as well as gates, compressors, a 4-band parametric EQ, and 3-band fixed EQ on each channel. PRX ONE's easy-to-use presets based on common sound reinforcement scenarios make setup a breeze. Simply select your favorite preset on the LCD and you're off and running. Sculpt your sound with professional Lexicon effects including reverb, delay, chorus, and subsynth. If you're presenting, use PRX ONE's ducking feature to instantly lower your background music anytime you speak. Triple-tier DSP allows users to select an experience based on their knowledge level. Beginner-level users can very easily load presets across the LCD to sound great quickly. Intermediate-level users can use those presets as a canvas and sculpt their sound from there, whereas advanced-level users can start from scratch with full parameter access. PRX ONE features an incredibly versatile input and output section for connecting anything from microphones and instruments to mobile devices and wireless rigs. PRX ONE has 2 independent channels of 48-volt phantom power on channels 1 and 2, 4 dedicated microphone preamps, 2 high-Z inputs, and 1 1/8-inch aux in, as well as an XLR pass-through for system expansion. 2 onboard USB ports can be used to power external devices or AKG wireless systems. PRX ONE's Bluetooth technology gives you the freedom to stream music from your computer, phone, or tablet. Using Bluetooth 5.0 protocol, you're able to get extended range, less latency, and higher audio fidelity. JBL's Pro Connect app offers remote control over every system feature, from mixing to DSP to Bluetooth functions. Use the app to manage levels from anywhere in the room, manage EQ, automatic feedback suppression, and activate and adjust effects parameters and more. Because the app and mixer are always in sync, you can have confidence of where your levels are set. In addition to that, you can easily rename speakers and channels, as well as flash the LEDs for ease of identification in a busy ecosystem. Plus, get access to app-only features like speaker grouping, delay tap tempo, and whole speaker snapshots. With PRX ONE, we've engineered a lot of performance in a sleek, self-contained system weighing just 55 pounds. What this means is you'll be able to load in fewer trips without the need for power amps and outboard DSP. PRX ONE can actually be used in both portable and fixed installations. Installers can actually detach the array from the woofer cabinet and install it on a wall using our optional accessory bracket. The system is housed in a durable polypropylene shell, which means it'll stand up to even the toughest gigs. And like every JBL speaker, the PRX ONE goes through our 100-hour stress test to make sure the components will hold up and stand the test of time. The JBL PRX ONE is the perfect solution for DJs, musicians, presenters, house of worship, rental houses, and everyone in between. To learn more about the PRX ONE, visit jblpro.com.